CNC punching machine, a computer-controlled machine that punches holes, shapes, or embossed sheet metal. Industrial dust collector, a machine that removes dust and airborne particles from an industrial environment for safety and air quality purposes. Labeling machine is used to apply labels or stickers onto products or packaging materials. Augmented reality is the overlaying of digital information onto the real world, enhancing the user's perception and interaction. Renewable energy, the exploration and implementation of sustainable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Space exploration, the investigation and exploration of celestial bodies in outer space through manned and unmanned missions. Genetic engineering, the manipulation of an organism's genetic material to alter its characteristics or create new ones. Autonomous vehicles is the development of self-driving cars, drones, and other vehicles capable of operating without human intervention. Industrial ultrasonic cleaner is an equipment that uses ultrasonic waves and cleaning solution to remove dirt or contaminants from objects. Industrial extruder is a machine that processes materials through a die to create continuous shapes, such as plastic tubes. Shrink wrapping machine is an equipment that wraps products or packages with a shrinkable film and applies heat to shrink the films tightly. Industrial sandblasting machine is a machine that propels abrasive particles at high velocity to clean, edge, or prepare surfaces. CNC EDM machine, computer numerical control electrical discharge machining machine that uses electrical sparks to shape or remove material. Industrial air compressor is a machine that compresses and stores air to power pneumatic tools or provide compressed air for various industrial processes. Thermoforming machine heats and molds thermoplastic sheets into specific shapes or forms. Astrophysics, the branch of astronomy that deals with the physical properties of celestial objects and the universe as a whole. Cryptography is the practice of secure communication by converting information into a code or cipher. Marine biology is the study of organisms that live in saltwater environments, including oceans, seas, and estuaries. Machine vision is the ability of computers to understand, interpret, and process visual information similar to human vision. Financial technology. Fintech is the use of technology to improve and automate financial services such as banking and investing. Regenerative medicine development of methods to replace, engineer, or regenerate human cells, tissues, or organs to restore normal function. Cognitive robotics are the integration of artificial intelligence, robotics, and cognitive science to create intelligent robots that can understand and interact with the world. Climate science is the study of the Earth's climate system and the factors that contribute to climate change. Industrial vibrating feeder conveys or transports bulk materials using vibrations. CNC turret punch press is a computer-controlled machine that punches holes, shapes, or embossed sheet metal using a turret tooling system. Industrial freezer machine used to freeze or chill products or materials in an industrial setting. Cigarette rolling machine is an equipment that automates the process of rolling tobacco into cigarettes. CNC Swiss lathe, a computer-controlled machine that performs high-precision turning and machining operations on small, intricate parts. Industrial inkjet printer is used to print text, codes, or graphics directly onto products, packaging, or materials. Baler is a machine that compresses and binds materials such as paper, cardboard, or plastic into compact bales for storage or recycling. Geothermal energy, the utilization of heat from the Earth's interior for power generation or heating purposes. Social robotics is the study and development of robots capable of interacting and communicating with humans in social settings.
Oh, and also maracas?